comfortable. In the squat, I can see where my form breaks down, so I know what to improve.
My name is Bart Goodell. I've been a personal trainer for 24 years. I was a coach before that, and I've trained hundreds, even into the thousands. My clients come in highly motivated. My job is to keep them safe and healthy. The most important thing is to keep them from getting injured. With Influx, they're going to get stronger, getting over that hump of injuries and overtraining, which most people do. In the past, I've used video, especially with my athletes and with clients, but it's only one perspective. Whereas with Influx, the sensors, you just put on a shirt and you can start working out. And with it, I can show them right there what they're doing. Whether it's tighten their abs, keep their knees over their feet, anything like that's going to help. And as a trainer, I know what my clients are doing when they're not working with me. And that gives me feedback from the sensors of how well they're moving, what part of the body is not working. That's just invaluable. I love Influx. I can just go on with my workout as normal, and I can map out where my weaknesses are and target them. It's just like having a trainer with you anytime you slip on your outfit.
Our digital age is full of screens and eye stimulation. From the moment we wake up to the time we fall asleep, we're constantly using our eyes, causing fatigue and strain. Your eyes are working restlessly for every activity you do. Allergies are a common cause of eye irritation. Even while you're relaxing at home, your eyes are still moving and working. Contact lenses make your eyes dry and irritated.
Hi, I'm Eric. After my father-in-law began suffering from eye fatigue, showing signs of eye strain, migraines, irritation, and puffiness.
The key to our eye is liquid, water. We've tried different transmission materials, from non-woven cloth, copper foil, gel pearls, to finally water. Along with our massage technology, our unique water circulation design stimulates blood flow around the eyes. Using thermoelectric cooler, we're able to create both cool and warm compress feature with our eye. A warm compress can increase oily substance drainage and bring in natural healing substances, and is ideal for dry and tired eyes. A cold compress is ideal in treating allergic irritation and can reduce swelling, dark circles, and crow's feet around the eyes. The challenge we faced was how to deliver a quick temperature change. We tried different materials and shapes of the thermal module, as well as various pumps. In the end, we found the best combination. The water bag design of Ori features hypoallergenic soft silicone that forms to the face, ensuring a comfortable and relaxing fit for every face shape.
Step by step, we created Ori, the world's first water-propelled eye massager with both cool and warm compress. We are patented in 11 countries, including the United States and Germany.